Hei alle sammen, hi everyone. Velkommen tilbake til kanalen. I dag skal vi lære fargene på norsk med ekte eksempler. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn colors in Norwegian. La oss gjøre læring fargerik og gøy. Let's make learning colorful and fun. Section 1. Basic colors. First. The most important colors. Først, de viktigste fargene. Rød, red. Et rødt eple, a red apple. Blå, blue. En blå skjorte, a blue shirt. Gul, yellow gul, yellow. Cool. En gul blomst, a yellow flower. Grønn, green. Grønn, green. Et grønt blad, a green leaf. Svart, black. Svart, black. En svart katt, a black cat. Vit, white. Vit, white. En vit sky, a white cloud. Let's learn a few more colors. Orange, orange. Orange, orange. En orange appelsin, an orange orange. Lilla, purple. Lilla, purple. En lilla ballong, a purple balloon. Brun, brown. Brun, brown. En brun väske, a brown bag. Grå, grey. En grå elefant, a grey elephant. Quick recap. La oss repetera. Rød, red. Blå, blue. Gul, yellow. Grønn, green. Svart, black. Vit, white. Orange, orange. Lilla, purple. Brun, brown. Grå, grey. Great job! Now you can say many colors in Norwegian. Write in the comments, what is your favorite color in Norwegian? Like the video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more fun and easy Norwegian lessons. See you next time. Have a great day.